Hey, welcome to How's It Channel. Today we will talk about malware and how to protect your computer. First things first, how these programs can get on your computer. They can be installed without your knowledge when you visit certain websites. In addition, you can install malware by downloading regular files. Malicious programs can erase data from a computer, steal credit card numbers or passwords, and send spam. There are a few simple rules to follow in order to protect your PC against malware. 1. Regularly update your operating system and all applications. 2. Do not click on the links if you don't know where they lead, and do not download files from questionable sites. This also applies to emails. 3. We recommend installing Bitdefender Internet Security Antivirus 2019. The link is in the description below the video. If it seems to you that your computer is already infected, using Bitdefender Internet Security 2019, you can find and remove the virus. Don't forget to update your antivirus. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!